It took me 43 years to learn what I now know, which is software development. I've been coding for 43 years, almost 100,000 hours worth of software development. And I will teach it to you in 1 second. So here we have Magic, my product that we are selling access to. I'm on localhost. Magic is fully open source. You can download it and run it on your own computer. And we are delivering cloudlets, which are basically Magic cloud instances. And they come bundled with CodeGen AI components, low-code components, and no-code components. I can go in here and I can visually design my databases as I see fit. Here you can see Northwind, for instance. I can create new tables visually, relationships, fields, etc., etc. I also have an SQL view component where I can do select all from whatever, right, as I see fit. And once you have a database, you can connect to your existing databases, of course. You can go to the generator, you can choose your database here, and you can just click the button and boom, the system produces 10,000 lines of code for you in a microsecond. And the reasons why that works is because of meta programming. Now, the most recent addition to our value proposition is this little guy here that I'm going to be demonstrating now inside of a folder I'm going to create named YouTube. And then I'm going to create an HTTP endpoint. Okay, let's do get artists.get or artists.get.hl. So now I'm creating a new file. The name of the file is artists.get.hl, right? And I'm going to provide a description to this file. The get part in the file name implies it's an HTTP get endpoint. HTTP endpoint that selects artists rows from GNOME database and includes all their albums. Foreign key is artist ID. Endpoint can only be executed by root accounts. So now if you understand this English, if you have enough IT knowledge to actually understand this English, what it means, then you can write similar type of English sentences inside of here. And yet again, I want to emphasize, Magic is open source. We're even giving you credits for free. You're using our LLM for free here to generate code. There are zero costs associated with this whatsoever. However, when I click submit and generate here, what is now happening is that the system produces hyper lambda code for me that solves this particular problem. And I can now immediately execute the code, and as you can see, I'm getting artists and all of their associated albums. And down here, we even have a little bar that says where the machine creates the code. Add optional paging arguments. Okay, if you understand what that sentence means, then the system understands how to transpile that text into hyperlambda. And now, of course, if I try to execute the endpoint, I'm asked to provide paging arguments. They are optional, so I don't need to provide them, right? And if I do provide them, limit 1, offset 11, boom, I'm only getting the 11th item. It took me 43 years to learn how to do that. 43 years. If you have basic IT knowledge, if you are, for instance, a mediumly technically savvy program manager, for instance, then you no longer need software developers, arguably, because you can do the job yourself or have the AI do the job. And that's our product.